Hey, what's up guys, it's Dual Mario with my wife Carla with part 2 of the turns video. If you remember in part 1, I showed you guys how to do a connected left hand turn. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that really quickly. So we're going to go ahead and start in basic jive position. And then we're going to go ahead and start 1, 2, bring your hand up to signal that you're going to turn. And then you're going to go ahead with your right hand, you're going to kind of give her a gentle push at the same time as you are turning her with your left hand. So turn it. And then you're going to bring your arm out, and then you're going to bring it back over, and then you're going to begin the basic jive position again into the rest of the song, okay? So today what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate a flat hand push, which is basically the same setup as the connected left hand turn. So we're going to go ahead and go 1, 2, and then bring your hand up. Now when you bring your hand up, you're going to go ahead and open up your left hand, and she's going to open up her hand as well. So your left hand is opened up with her hand. And you're going to go ahead and push her straight down, okay? You're still connected with your right hand, but when you push her down with your left hand, I want the ladies to go ahead and cup their hands, cup your right hand like this as you turn, because after I push you down, I'm going to go ahead and catch your hand with the same hand I pushed you off with. So let's go ahead and turn. Cup your hand. I'm going to leave my left hand down here waiting to catch your hand, okay? Once you catch it, you're going to go ahead and turn her back around. And then you're back to regular jive position, and then you're going to continue the whole song again, okay? So once again, let me demonstrate. You're going to go ahead and signal by bringing your hand up, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your hand with her hand, and then with the right hand, you're going to go ahead and gently push her in the direction that you're going to turn her. You're going to push down, ladies, cup your hand, and you're going to catch the hand back down here where you left it. You're going to turn her back around, and you're going to bring it back up, and then you're going to keep dancing, okay? So in a moment, we're going to go ahead and dance to a song using both the connected turn and the flat hand push turn, okay? And both of these are with the left hand. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and push, flat hand push, and then catch her with your right hand. Now remember, every time you push and disconnect with your left hand and you turn her, the lady must cup her hand, because guys are going to catch her hand whether it's with the right hand or with the left hand, okay? In the next video, I'm going to show you guys what to do when you catch her with your right hand. You can go ahead and do a turn like this, turn her back around, and then you're going to put it over your neck and then catch her with your left hand. Okay, so that's for a future video, guys. Okay, for now, let's go ahead and try this out with a song, doo-wop song, of course, and then I'm going to go ahead and do both turns, a connected left hand turn and flat hand push left hand turn. Okay, let's do it.
That's what I want. You think that I love you and I can't do without you, but I don't. Are you forgetting there are the women who would gladly love the things that I do? I like teasing, squeezing, holding them tight with all my might. Are you forgetting? Darling, I'm no fool. I haven't you heard the latest news about the women over here, women over there? God knows, baby, got them everywhere. Are you forgetting? Every dog has a day. I won't worry, come what may.